Hello students, welcome to another class. Today we are going to work with Básico 1, Unit 3B, pages, if you want to check your pages. Si quiere revisar las páginas del libro, page 18 and 19. And the objective of today's class is like to point at objects. What is this? For example, when you say, cuando dice, esa casa, este plumón, esta pizarra, esas personas. So we are going to see how to point at objects, okay? And if we want to do that, we use these 4 questions. For example, in this case we have this and we have these. What's the difference? Singular, plural, okay. But what do they have in common? That they are near. For example, when you say this pencil, and we say these pencils. I'm going to write it here. For example, you say this pencil, and we say these pencils. So what's the difference here is that one is singular and the other one is plural. So you can see a difference. This and these, okay? And another thing that we can say here, that they are near. That's means cerca. Okay, so we say this pencil and these pencils. Okay, please, let's check the pronunciation. Please repeat. This, these. Can you see the difference? This, these. Okay, repeat, please. This, these. And here we can see the difference. This pencil, these pencils. Okay? We can also make it with pens. For example, here we have some pens. For example, here, this is a pen. It's different. It is lápiz mina, pencil, and this is a pen. Pen. Okay, so in this case I say this pen, this, porque está cerca, this pen. And now I say these pens, plural, these pens. Okay, plural, but they are near. Okay, that's it. This case. Este es para cuando están cerca. Singular, plural. Okay, let's see the others. What happens when they are far? Cuando están lejos. Cuando los objetos están lejos. Por ejemplo, uno dice, esa casa. Okay, so in this case, when they are far, we use that and those. For example, in the case of this pencil, we say, that pencil, that está lejos. And in this case we say the same, those pencils, plural. Plural. Okay, so in this case we have the that and those, and in this case we say far. They are far, okay? So please, let's check. Repeat. That. That. Please repeat. Those. Those. Okay, very good. The other one. We're going to use the pens again. For example, here we have a pen, and we say that pen. That, porque está lejos, pero es uno, that. And in the case of plural, we say those pens, those, because they are far, okay? Okay, and if we want to know the words in Spanish, here we have the meaning. For example, when I say this pencil, I'm saying este lápiz. Esta, esto. In the case of these pencils, these, we say estas, estos lápices. In the case of that and those, look at one. That means ese, esa, eso. And those means esas, esos. Okay? So that is the difference between this and these, and that and those. Okay? Let's continue. Now we are going to include the verb to be. Remember the verb to be? We are going to include the verb to be. We are going to include two forms of the verb to be. Okay, we have is and we have are. So one is singular and the other one is plural. Okay? Singular and this is plural. Okay, so in a sentence, if I say, for example, if I say this, or if I say another one, these, okay, this is similar to the previous activity, but now we are going to include is and are, es y son. So in this case, if I say this, a pen, which one is singular, is or are? Of course, so we say, this is a pen, this is a pen. Esta es una lapicera, this is a pen. Okay, what happened in the case of that? Singular or plural? Singular, of course. So we say, that is a car, that is a pen, okay? Singular or plural? Plural. These pens, plural. So we use is or are? Are, correct, because it's plural, okay? These are pens. And in the case of those, we use are, okay? Those are cars, okay? In this activity, aquí no importa si está cerca o lejos, si está cerca o lejos. Aquí lo que estamos viendo es que si es singular o plural, ¿ya? Por eso que el this y el that están juntos acá y el this and those están juntos, porque estos dos son para singular y estos dos son para plural. Okay. So let's check one more time. Please repeat. This, that, these, those. Okay. So that's it. That's the way in which we can say, we can mention objects if they are singular or plural, or if they are near or they are far. Remember, near, cerca, and far, lejos. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Complete the activity, and that's it. Goodbye.